Okay, a very quick one, but a very important message. It is to remind each and every one of you, come to our workshop tomorrow, Surviving, Thriving, and Sustaining. This is the workshop that not just talks about how to make money, how to do good only. It is about being able to survive through any pandemic or any crisis. It is not only to survive, but be able to thrive and to be sustainable in your thriving and be giving through your thriving as well. So we will tomorrow, it will start at 11 o'clock until 1 o'clock. We will be covering topics on why this sustainable entrepreneur, what is this term sustainable entrepreneurship, and how do you become one of them? What is the pathway to become a sustainable entrepreneur, right? And why is it so important, especially during these times? And then we have a topic about your ideal clients creation. Like a lot of times, I that's how I run my business. I create ideal clients, right? Because not many people, if they don't get what you stand for, they cannot afford you, they are not your ideal clients. You don't try to convince them or try to hard sell them. It is not how business is done. It is all about being able to identify your ideal clients, and best if you can start creating those ideal clients. So I will be sharing on how to create your ideal clients. And then on Saturday morning at 11 o'clock until 1, we have our purpose-driven brand consultant who will be sharing on the pathway from 0 to 1 million, with the brand that you are creating for yourself. How are you going to create from 0 to $1 million in your business? And on Sunday at 11 until 1 o'clock, we have Charlie Ang, who is a futurist, sharing about the trends and why is it so important for you to be able to do a business that is just on your blue ocean, or like we call it, your superpower. You aim just using your superpower, doing what your clients are raving and requesting for. So you don't have all this hard selling, trying to get people's customer lah, try to get from other people's communities and all that, but you build and you create ideal clients through your business, through your message, through the products and services that you carry. And that's the other thing. How do you stay sustainable? And this is the topic that we'll be sharing with you on the third day. And also, we are building a community in a land in Desaru, and we would be sharing that that project as well. And we'd like to see if you are interested or would be suitable to be part of the team, or if you want to be involved in that community as well. You are welcome. And it's all about sustainable farming. It's all about sustainability, as well as green living, creating a positive community based on love and respect. It is all of those amazing stuff. And we are also inviting you to attend. It only takes 2 hours, and it's actually valued at $99 for the 3 days, 2 hours, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But for this time, what we are doing, and it's only for this time, if you register, you will get it at pay as you desire. No obligation, just pay as you wish, okay? And then we'll be happy with that, because just an exchange of energy. But most important is for you to attend, learn, and apply, because there is no reason for anyone to say things, because of COVID, I cannot succeed, or because of this person, stealing my idea, that's why I cannot succeed. There's going to be no more of that, right? The way business is going to be done, it's all going to be creative. So you create your ideal clients. It's going to be sustainable. It's going to be non-competitive. It's going to be blue ocean. And it's going to show you the pathway from 0 to 1 million. And the best thing about this, having this mindset, having this way of conducting business, is that you move out from being the traditional business owner, where you sell, I buy, and you gotta hunt, look for customers and all that kind of thing. It is a new way of doing business, where we take you from the the freelance mindset or the small business owner mindset, the OMO, one-man operation mindset, to the business owner mindset, to the conscious entrepreneur mindset, and then we'll take you to the sustainable entrepreneur mindset. All of this requires some shifts in the way you do your business, the way you think as a business owner, or someone who's starting or wanting to start a business. Because I know you have dreams, I know you have goals, I know you have desires, you want to do good, you want to make money, you want to be able to live a very good life. Some of you want pretty things, you want to have lovely things in your house, lovely things in around you, and this is an opportunity that we have found. This is exactly what we want, and this is the opportunity that we desire for ourselves, and we are sharing it with you because we are creating it as we are sharing it with you today. Yeah, so tomorrow, Friday until Sunday, only 2 hours, Singapore, Malaysia time, 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. We'll see you there. Laser sharp focus, 2 hours training, and then you apply. You get to network with some amazing people at the same time. Okay? Lots of love, everybody. Assalamualaikum.